Hi, welcome back to another episode of Cook One Day in the Kitchen. Today I'd like to show you how to make this nice, good, cheesy pasta with peas. Very delicious, very easy to make. Follow along with me and I'll show you how I made it. Okay, first of all, we're going to turn this on. We got to get this boiling. And we're going to cook these small little Mexican pasta noodles. Spaghetti, I guess. Okay, now I'm going to add one bag to the boiling water. And I want to add another bag. Add two. For a little pot, that'd be probably about good enough. I'm not going to add the whole thing. Okay, now that's done. That's what I can do is drain it. Drain the water, excess water off it. Okay, this is what we're going to put in the drained pasta noodles. Half a stick of butter. That a can of drained peas. Just gonna mix this very well together. Next, I want to put a fourth of a cup of melted sugar or cheese on it. Just mix this in very well. Okay, I want to put a little bit of cheddar cheese in it. Okay, we're going to want to put mozzarella cheese, of course. And we're just going to mix this very well in. Okay, now we're going to do a taste test on this. Oh my god, that's so cheesy. It's got so much flavor. God, that's good. Anyways, I want to thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you haven't yet, hit that bell so you don't miss an episode of my videos. I have them coming out every day, and I want y'all to have a blessing day.